Dear Ukrainians, today, one of the largest and most perilous Russian attacks of the entire conflict has occurred. A total of 210 drones and missiles were launched simultaneously, including hypersonic and aeroballistic types. Fortunately, the majority of the targets were intercepted. Russia aimed to strike at energy and critical infrastructure. This serves as a response to all those who believed they could achieve something with Putin through discussions, phone calls, and gestures of goodwill, appeasement. Today, this dove of peace has launched yet another barrage of Kinzhal and Kalibr missiles against us. This exemplifies their approach to diplomacy, characterized by betrayal. For nearly 1,000 days, Russia has been engaging in similar actions, and we must defend ourselves against them. It is imperative that we remain strong. Our focus should not be on dialogue with anyone in Moscow, but rather on compelling Russia to end the war. I extend my gratitude to all our air defense forces, the Air Force, mobile fire groups, and everyone who contributes to Ukraine's ability to counter this Russian aggression. Once again, the Patriot systems have performed exceptionally well today, and the F-16s have also proven their worth by intercepting missiles. We appreciate all our partners who assist us with air defense systems and missiles. This is truly a global effort. Each time such Russian attacks occur, it underscores the necessity for our partners to ensure that Patriots and other systems are not left in storage but are instead transferred to those who can protect lives and require them. While we have not yet received all the systems we need from our partners, we continue to pursue this goal. Once we acquire the necessary resources, our ability to repel these attacks will be significantly enhanced. Restoration efforts are underway in 4 regions. This morning, over 1 million homes were without electricity, but that number has since decreased considerably. I thank all the repair teams for their dedication. Work will continue around the clock. Unfortunately, today's Russian attack resulted in injuries in the Lviv region, as well as in Kyiv, Poltava, Dnipropetrovsk, Odessa, and Zaporizhia. All affected individuals have received the necessary assistance. Tragically, there are also fatalities. My deepest condolences go out to all the families and loved ones affected. We will undoubtedly respond to the occupier.
President Volodymyr Zelensky addressed the media regarding the authorization granted by the United States, the United Kingdom, and France to utilize long-range missiles against Russian territory, stating that the missiles will speak for themselves. Currently, there is considerable discussion in the media about our receipt of permission to undertake specific actions. However, attacks are not executed through words and are not publicly announced. The missiles will undoubtedly convey the message on their own. Background: previously, the New York Times reported that U.S. President Joe Biden had, for the first time, authorized Ukrainian forces to employ long-range ATACMS missiles to target Russian territory. Sources from the newspaper indicated that these weapons are likely to be initially used against Russian and North Korean troops in the Kursk region. According to Reuters, Ukraine intends to conduct strikes on Russian territory using U.S. long-range missiles in the coming days. The French media outlet Le Figaro reported that France and the United Kingdom, following the lead of the United States, have granted Ukraine permission to use their long-range Scalp and Storm Shadow missiles to target Russian territory.